urban soils are super heterogeneous and full of secrets. You never know what's underneath those urban streets, like on this photo from New York City. And today we will have some discoveries. So urban soils provide multiple ecosystem services, everything from just beautiful green spaces where we can take a leisure walk to stormwater management, building infrastructure for our homes, factories, uh, or even agriculture, gardening, food production overall. It's a habitat for biodiversity, for plant biodiversity, birds, microbes, carbon sequestration, of course, and overall, again, archaeological artifacts that we find in soils quite be very interesting to tell us what was prior to the current settlement. Overall, we use urban spaces for educational purposes, like now we are doing, and cultural and aesthetic value. There are multiple urban ag types, from everything from home gardens to community gardens, or even some thematic gardens like intercultural gardens, therapeutic gardens, school gardens. Sometimes they call them allotments. I think this word may be more used in Europe. There are also kitchen gardens. They serve different purposes, but the main purpose is to produce food. When I moved to New York, I was early 20s. And growing up in Russia, as I mentioned, we grow our own food. It's part of culture, and it's just really part of a survival strategy. In the 90s, we couldn't buy tomatoes or cucumbers in winter, so we had to grow them and preserve them, as well as potatoes that we preserve for the entire year in our house cellar, and until these days. And when I moved to New York, I was surprised to see these gardens here and there sparkled around the city. And I saw people working in it, and they had all these, beautiful vegetables, some ornamentals. And I wondered why people do this. They have everything in the store, fruits and vegetables sold around the year. And I couldn't understand really what was the reasoning for growing these vegetables in the middle of the city. And then I learned that it's more than just a grocery reduction in a bill, or producing food. It also overall health benefits. It's connects with people, community bonds. People make friends in gardens. They get to talk to each other. Science also shows some research that it minimizes criminal activities. People have something to do, and they're less likely to hurt their neighbors. In overall, it's a deeper connection to agriculture and nature. It helps with physical health and mental health, as we see during the pandemic. So take-home messages. Urban soils are extremely heterogeneous. They are very important to study. They provide multiple services, as we saw today. And we want to have more urban gardens. We want to have agriculture, but it comes with some risks. There are some contaminants. There are new contaminants we discover every day, but there are also solutions. And organic matter is one of those solutions that we can help to overall improve soil health, but also remediate and rehabilitate our soil with its help. If you are curious to learn more, I have a whole digital library of different lectures, presentations on my YouTube channel. You can scan QR code here. It's presentations. Many of them are from other scientists who came to my classes virtually, give presentations, and with their permission, I share their findings, their ongoing research on this channel.